I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up transaction alerts on your Capital One account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Capital One account through the website or mobile app. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu under your profile or account overview. Step 3. Find alerts and notifications. In the account settings, look for a section labeled alerts or notifications. This is where you can manage all your alert preferences. Step 4. Enable transaction alerts. Select the option to enable transaction alerts. You may have the choice to receive alerts via email, text message, or push notifications. Choose your preferred method. Step 5. Customize alert preferences. Finally, customize your alert preferences. You can choose to receive alerts for different types of transactions, such as purchases over a certain amount or international transactions. Remember to save your changes before exiting the settings. If you miss the save button, your preferences won't be updated. I hope this helps you stay on top of your transactions. Happy banking!